Hey, how you doing? Pat here. Welcome to my first new gear video of the 2022 riding season. Alright, welcome back. Trying to show you the weight of the helmet before I do anything to it, including even taking off the protective cover of the face shield. Alright, I gotta get one of the most important mods out of the way first thing. It's an official helmet now, it has my logo on it. One of the really cool features of this helmet is they have a cutout here for your communication system to snap into. It's pretty handy, especially when it comes to running the wires. I am installing the new Cardo Pack Talk Bold Black that I picked up over the winter for a pretty good deal. Alright, time to try to figure out how to take this helmet apart, and let me just throw a spoiler out there. I kind of made a mess of things. But the cheek pads have these little, instead of like snaps like other, it's just, I don't know how to explain it, but it's these little tabs that spread apart. The neck roll and cheek pads are all one piece. I was kind of fighting this quite a bit, but you got to get the straps to go back through that little loop, for lack of a better term. And here I'm fumbling with the other side too. The adjustment strap was getting all tangled up at first, but I did manage to get it out. You can kind of see here how the cheek pad is attached to the neck roll. And once you get that untangled, you can just kind of pull the neck roll out like so. And this is where things kind of went south on me. There's a little pin in there. I can't get it on video, but I thought it would come through the hole, but I ended up kind of breaking it. But I put some Velcro in there, so it's going to be alright. And it already had some Velcro on the back to begin with. I'm not going into crazy detail here, but you can see I had to open up the holes in the helmet to get the Pack Talk Bold Black 45mm speakers to fit, and even after I filmed this, I had to make the holes even deeper yet. Just a quick shot here of the final product without the GoPro or the Cardo attached to the helmet. Okay, here's the finished product. This video was not meant to be a complete how-to, but this will be my first actual adventure helmet. I thought I'd give one a try. It's sold by Touratech. It's the Adventuro. It's made by NEXX. And as you can see here, I've got my GoPro mount on. My microphone speakers go in. I've got the adapter plate there for the Cardo. And I have everything installed. It is a flip helmet. This is kind of hard to do one-handed. Be right back. Alright, I have my Cardo microphone. My microphone will end up going to the GoPro. Plus I have the speakers installed, as well as one of the microphones over top of the speakers, so you can hear what the speaker hears when I'm riding with my wife or anybody else. Okay, trying to give you a shot of the JBL. You can see I made the hole deeper, so it sits down in there flush, and then I'm hoping this shows up on camera. You see the little tab right there? They go down into that hole right there, and they are kind of a bear, especially right here because I got the microphone. Alright, well, I hope you got a little something out of this video. You can see my new helmet, and I look forward to trying it and doing a full-on review. Oh yeah, look, a little blood where I cut myself, whoops. And I'll let you know what my thoughts are later in the riding season. As you can see, it's DOT certified, and it's also ECE 22-0 certified and FMVSS number 218 certified. I forget what that one is, but anyway, I think that's the more modern standard if memory serves. Made by Nex Helmets right here. Anyway, if you would, give me a big thumbs up on that video, and hey, we'll see you in the next one. And the next one, hopefully we'll have that taken off and I'll be riding with it.